What's up guys, today we are checking out a mechanical keyboard that honestly surprised me. The Apple maker AJAZZ Ak820 Pro. It's affordable, it's wireless, it's customizable, and it has a screen where you can upload GIFs. Yep, you heard that right. So let's start with the video. Here's what makes the Ak820 Pro pretty awesome for its price. First of all, it's hot swappable, which means you can easily change your switches without soldering. I'm using the blue switches, but you can drop in whatever you like. As you can see, it has a 70% layout, perfect balance between function keys and compact size, ideal for both work and gaming setups. It uses a gasket mount for a softer, more cushioned type feel. Seriously, it feels premium. As you can see, it can support 3-mode connection, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. Great for multi-device setups. This keyboard really surprised me. It feels very premium. Despite of being made of plastic, it feels heavy and high quality. It has 2 legs on either side with different levels, and this wheel that looks like it's made of aluminum, but not, it's actually plastic. It also comes with a keycap remover with a USB Type-A for 2.4 GHz connection. The blue switches on this keyboard are incredible, and the sound is super good. Just listen to it. The truth is that for around $60, it's the best value you can get. You can also get it in different colors, and I will leave the purchase link in the description down below. Finally, there are 2 versions, the regular one and this keyboard, which is the Pro version. And it has this screen that you can customize with different GIFs. This makes your setup look much more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, these are my final thoughts. For under 100, the AJAZZ Ak820 Pro feels like a steal. It's got premium features, good build, and the custom screen is just cherry on the top. Perfect for anyone building a clean, aesthetic desk setup. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you are into cool, affordable tech like this, make sure to hit that like button, drop your question down below, and of course, subscribe. This will help me a lot, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.